On February 7th, the Madras High Court directed the state and central governments to use drones to monitor illegal sand mining and quarrying. While states like Maharashtra and Uttarakhand have already done this, many countries across the world use drones to monitor deforestation and wild animal populations. What makes drones so useful? We spoke to Sri Sai Aerotech, one of the few manufacturers of drones in India.
A drone survey gives you a perspective that no other system can.
That's because drones or unmanned aerial vehicles are usually small aircrafts that can be flown using a remote control. Apart from other functions, they can be programmed to take photographs of the earth while flying, and this is used to monitor mining and quarrying operations.
When we do a drone survey over an area, we kind of can do a very accurate level, about 10 plus or minus 10%, estimate exactly how much volume has been mined.
You can get a picture of the mine before you allot the mine license.
Okay.
And then you can monitor the entire mining process throughout its cycle. And then you can, also estimate on a regular basis what exactly is happening with relations to how much is being mined and what are the inventories. And you can also possibly even track vehicles that are carrying the mined material. So drones have various applications of that.
While such 3D and aerial mapping drones can be used to monitor mining, most drones in India are used in the agricultural sector.
It can be used for a lot of good activities like farm monitoring. It can tell you where the problems in your farm is, which parts of your farm are not producing as much as others, what is your soil moisture content, all this just from a flight in the air. Secondly, it can be used as a delivery mechanism, which we are selling today in India. We are the only manufacturers of pesticide spraying drones in India as of today. So basically, pesticide spraying drone comes in 5 liters, 10 liters, 15 liters, and it is used to spray pesticide over a large area as well as nutrients and fertilizers.
While drones like this pesticide sprayer are thus extremely useful, there are strict regulations in place on who can use them. Right now, only large corporates can obtain permits for such commercial use from the Directorate General of Civil Aviation.
Basically, drones cannot be used for commercial purposes, are highly restricted for research purposes. On case to case basis, they give licenses.
So, while the use of drones to monitor mining may be a very timely move, there are several other functions that drones could be used for, especially in a predominantly agrarian country like India. If appropriate rules can be laid down, it could be a useful tool in wildlife conservation as well.